Can you guys see? This video has clocked 71,600 and something views, 646 views, as you guys are seeing. Can you guys see here? Who did check? Who get the mind? We want check up. And let's go to the reach of this video. For the reach of this video has gotten an impression of 866.5K. Are you guys seeing it here? And you guys see, this is the impression that this particular video has gotten, and this is how viewers found this video. Can you guys see? It is so precious that it is from browse feature, YouTube search, suggested video, and other YouTube features. See guys, and let's go to the external sites. For the external sites, you can see this, and then for YouTube search them, you can see Vibe with Sonia and then YouTube Studio. Can you guys see? And guys, let's go for content that is suggesting this content. Can you guys see the content suggesting this content? Can you guys see? And my most recent video, which is this particular one that I did recently, that I did 4,000 watch hour as well. Then let's go to the engagement of this video. For the engagement of this video has gotten this watch time. Can you guys see the watch time? Can you see it? The 3.3K watch time, and the average viewer duration is 2 minutes 50 seconds. Can you guys see it? My God. And let's go to the audience of this video. For the audience of this video, you can see the returning viewers of 30.3K. It is very important for your videos to be having audience viewers coming back to watch. I don't know if you guys are getting this. My camera, because I put it on autofocus, that's why it's focusing on every angle that I'm going. But you guys see, 3.3K is returning back to watch, and I'm so grateful for this. And see the age that is watching this particular video. Can you see the age watching this particular video? All ages are watching. Let me know. I don't know if that word ages is correct, but all age are watching, and you can see the gender as well. Both female and male are watching this particular video. And then you can see the top geographical locations, or the top countries that are watching this video: United States, Nigeria, and United Kingdom. Can you guys see it? And yeah, let's go to the overall Ogbonge one master of how much this particular video has made. So this precious video of mine has given me just 71,000. Jesus Christ. Just this video of 70-something thousand just broke record of $400. God! Woo! $400. This video alone has given me $400. $400 freaking dollars and 87 cents. And 87 cents. Then how I make money, watch paid ads, membership, and video performance. Can you guys see my video performance? For every 1K view, I get to make $5.61. Are you guys seeing it? I get to make $5.61. And how much advertisers are paying for this video? Advertisers are paying $10.83. Who get the mind we want check out? Who get the mind we want? 1,700. So we're going to be using 1,700. Okay, so let's go to the calculator and let's see how much this money has been able to generate. So 400 times 1,700. My God, 680,000 naira. This is over $500,000 naira. Over $500,000 naira. Let's assume I post this video January, February. Let's assume I post this video January, and this is the 11th month. Now let's divide it by 10 months, which is October. Let's leave the 11th month. Let's divide it by 10 months. So in 10 months, I'll be earning 68,000 naira as salary every month, guys. And this video is not posted January. It is not January that this video is posted. This video was posted just last 2 months, okay? And this video has earned over $400 because it is 487 cents. Who wants to quit? If you actually want to quit, no wahala, you can go ahead and quit. But the favor you're going to do for me is sell your channel to me. If you already have some subscribers there, because it is not easy to have 1, 2, 3 subscribers, just sell your channel to me and tell me, Vibe with Sonia, I want to quit. I'm not doing again. I am frustrated. As at this time last 3 years, I am not even making up to this. I don't even think that the first 6 months, I've shared it here. I made just $116 in my first 6 months of getting monetized on YouTube. A lot of people people are even getting more than that currently now, because with the way the YouTube algorithm is picking a lot of content creators, it is an opportunity for you to be able to stay and tell yourself that yes, you can make this money here. See, there is money on YouTube to be made. If you don't know it today, if you don't have the knowledge that there is money on YouTube to be made. I am so excited anytime I come here to review my revenue. I don't review my revenue because I am doing it out of pride or I don't have any videos to film. Trust me, I have a lot of videos. In fact, even if I don't have videos to film, if I go back and start bringing out my apps and website reviews, like I'll have box and box of videos to film. But I do this here to encourage you and to tell you that yes, you see this particular hustle that you are hustling, it is definitely going to pay. To see this particular hustle that you're trying to crack your head, having sleepless nights, trying to see if you're burning data, wasting data here and there, it is going to pay. Hustle must pay as far as YouTube is concerned. So all you need to do is to take your YouTube channel serious. All you need to do is to know the kind of content you're bringing here. And you know the best part and the sweetest part of this particular kind of videos, they are evergreen content. They are going to be getting views over and over again every day. And if they're getting views, yes, you're going to be making something out of it. And this is one sweet part about YouTube. Today, your videos might not have views. Tomorrow, you will come back, that video has picked up. Is YouTube not working wonders? Today, you might upload the video and nothing is happening. Tomorrow, the video will just blow up. And you'll be surprised. You'll be like, what was so special? Or what is so special about this video that is picking up now? So the fact that YouTube is not pushing out your content now doesn't mean they're not going to push it out in the future. And it doesn't mean YouTube is not pushing out your content. There is no video you upload on this YouTube streets that YouTube don't push them out. YouTube always push out your videos to every individual. The only difference between me and you is those individuals are pushing it to, probably they are not clicking, and YouTube will be able to track them a bit. And see, guys, nobody should even deceive you about this thing called views. See, if you check most people with the amount of subscribers that they have is not even equating to some of the views that we're actually getting. But do we quit? Do we give up? No. These are stepping stones. The most important thing is at the end of the day, we are going to be making money. This is how much YouTube paid me for 70,000 views only. And you can see the countries that are watching it. Who they check out. Who is still in that business of saying, I am not in a hurry to get subscribers. I don't want to get monetized quick. I just want to take it slow and steady. Uncle, auntie, don't think of taking it slow and steady. Do anything you can to monetize your channel and start making something. Even if it's 1 naira, 2 naira, 3 naira, 4 naira you're making, is something that you're making for yourself. At the end of the day, you will start making big one day. Anyways, if you're still in that business and you're frustrated and you don't even know what to do with your channel, you'll be like, oh, Sonia, will I even continue with this channel? I'm tired of this channel. I don't even know what to do again. This is why Sonia is here for you. I build channel from scratch. Yes, I build channel from scratch where I will be able to come together, help you build your channel for you to be able to get exact thing that you are looking for. And guys, if you are still wondering, how do I contact Sonia? How do I even reach out to Sonia? My email is displaying on this particular flyers, faithonoja3195@gmail.com. Serious business people alone that want to take their YouTube channel to the next level. Those are people that will contact me. Don't come and contact me on another necessary issues that is not even necessary. The main game is for us to get our channel monetized. And yes, we are definitely going to get our channel monetized. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. And I hope this video is able to encourage someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I'd like to say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Make sure you start making money on YouTube and thank me later. Bye.